This video walks you through how to set up expense reimbursements in Ghosto. Begin by signing in to your Ghosto account. Enter your account credentials on the sign-in page, then wait for the dashboard to load. Once you are inside the account, move to the left-hand menu and click People. This opens the area where employee records are stored, including payroll and compensation details. From the People section, select the employee you want to update. If your account includes several team members, take a moment to confirm that you are opening the correct employee profile before making changes. When the employee page opens, look for the Pay section and open it. This is where Gusto stores payment-related settings for that employee, including reimbursements that can be added to payroll. Inside the Pay section, scroll down until you reach Recurring Reimbursements. This area is specifically for reimbursements that need to be set up on an ongoing basis rather than entered one time. When you find it, click Add to start creating a new reimbursement entry for the employee. You will now see fields for the reimbursement details. Enter a description that clearly identifies the expense reimbursement. This description is what helps distinguish the reimbursement from other pay items, so keep it specific to the purpose of the payment. Next, enter the reimbursement amount in the Amount field. Make sure the amount matches what you intend to reimburse, since this value will be applied according to the schedule you choose. If a schedule applies to this reimbursement, choose the reimbursement schedule from the available options. The schedule determines how often the reimbursement will be included, so review the choices carefully and select the one that matches how this expense should be paid. If the reimbursement does not need a schedule beyond what is shown on screen, use the setting that fits the employee's arrangement and continue. After entering the description, amount, and schedule, review the reimbursement details on the page. This is the point to confirm that the employee is correct, the description is accurate, the amount is entered properly, and the selected schedule reflects how the reimbursement should be handled. A quick review here helps prevent updating the wrong profile or saving an amount that needs to be corrected later. When everything looks right, click Save to set up the expense reimbursement. Gusto will apply the new recurring reimbursement to that employee's pay settings, and the updated information should remain visible in the reimbursement section once the save is complete. The expense reimbursement is now set up for the selected employee in Gusto.